Hi everyone, I just want to show you very quickly the little book that I've designed for the International Scrapbook Day 2020 retreat at home that we're going to be having. This is a private class in a private Facebook group that will be held on the weekend of the 1st of the 3rd of May, because as we know, traditionally International Scrapbook Day is always the first Saturday in May, which this year is the 2nd, which is when we'll be making this little book. Now, as we're all confined to barracks at the moment, the book is designed specifically to be made with things that you have on hand. So instead of all the fancy clips and magnets and kits and stuff that we normally have, all you need to complete this book is patterned paper, your adhesives, some cardstock, and I've used things like paper clips for my closures. I've just used stuff that I've got in my stash. Then obviously there's things that are helpful to have, like a scoreboard and a trimmer obviously, but you're quite likely to have those. So I'm going to show you the book. Now, just to start with, just to close it, I've just used a little paper clip here, so nothing very exciting, just something to keep it closed. This book is designed specifically for 6 by 4 inch standard size photos. I haven't put any photos in mine. I've just, got little cut aparts and such like, but it absolutely can be used as a photo book. And it's a little gatefold and it opens up like this. So first of all, what I've got is some cut aparts here and some little envelopes that I've put in a pocket on this side, and then down here we've got our sort of spines. The book is closed by another one of these little very easy closures that is partly formed by a belly band here, but as you can see I've just used a paper clip to close that. So here, each of these next pages is just slightly bigger than a 6 by 4 inch photo, so you can put the belly bands and the pockets on here, or you can not bother. It's entirely up to you, but like I said, each page will fit a standard sized photo. So this page has got a little belly band, and I've just put a couple of little pocket cards and such like in there, and then it opens up. It's almost like a waterfall book, but not quite. So here we've got a small, you wouldn't be able to fit a 6 by 4 photo in there, it would be more like 6 by 3.5, but you do have that room there. And then here I've just added a little pocket that I had with some bits and pieces in there, like, little tag and such like. Open it up again, we've got corner pockets here on each side with some tags that just slip in. And on this one we've got a bottom pocket here with some tags that I've popped in there. This page has just a little belly band with some tags behind there. And then this page has just the cut aparts that pop in there. I've missed my favourite page out. No, I haven't, that one. And like I said, that's got pockets on both sides. It shuts up, and the binding system is a rather strange sort of an accordion one that I've designed to be able to move with the book. And I will show you how to work that in the class. So I hope that you'll join me. If you would like to join us, the cost of the retreat at home that weekend for everything is just £10, and you can book in on my website, which is www.calsummers, that's all one word, .co.uk/book-online. Look for INSD20 retreat at home, and you can book on there directly. Any questions, let me know, but thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you all at International Scrapbook Day. Thanks a lot.